So today we're off to Princess Cay.
Princess Cay? That's one of my favorite places.
All right, let's go.
Ooh.
Before we get started with the video, we're going to ask that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's good for the channel and helps other people find us as well, and we really do appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell.
Ding ding!
That way you'll know when we have videos coming out. So, we're off to Princess Cay.
Woohoo!
We're going to tell you some things about Princess Cay you may not know.
If you did know, pretend like you didn't and you learned something new. Princess Cay sits at the southern tip of Eleuthera in the out islands of the Bahamas. Eleuthera is about 50 miles from Nassau and 263 miles from Miami. It sits on 40 acres of land and resort features more than half mile of beaches for cruisers to enjoy. I know I enjoy it when I go there. So,
do you say Princess Cay or do you say Princess Cay?
I say Princess Cay because Key is spelled K-E-Y.
So the word Cay, meaning a small, low island, is generally pronounced like the word key. But native Bahamians use this pronunciation. However, the word is also pronounced as Cay.
Princess Cay is a tender port, meaning that guests reach the island by complimentary water shuttles from the cruise ship.
So if you click on this link, you can also watch our video that we have all about tenders and everything you need to know about a tender.
The port of call at Princess Cay is canceled more often than other ports with cruise ship docks, especially during the hurricane season from June through November. Both Princess and Carnival use this island on their itineraries in the Caribbean. When you go to Princess Cay, you'll find that there's only one ship there that day, because only one ship is allowed at a time. This makes it a place that's never really crowded. Most areas on Princess Cay are wheelchair accessible, with wide paved paths all the way from where the tender drops you off out to the bars, the restrooms, the straw market, the bungalow areas. Most all this island is wheelchair accessible.
On the north side of the island.
Yeah, if you have mobility challenges, the north side of the resort is wheelchair friendly. The south side, however, you have a little bridge that has nothing but steps to get over. So you're not going to be able to get over there in a wheelchair or a scooter.
There are typically lifeguards on duty at Princess Cay.
Are they like the Baywatch guys? You know what the people want to know?
What do the people want to know?
They want to know if their drink package works at Princess Cay.
Yes, only your drink package works at Princess Cay. The bars on Princess Cay do not take cash at all. You can use your ship card or your drink package.
The only specialty drink that doesn't work there is the coffee.
So you might be wondering if anyone lives on Princess Cay.
Yes, they do. The resort employs a caretaker to provide maintenance to the resort year-round. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can rent there on the island if you enjoy being out in the water.
There's water noodles and floats and aqua chairs and snorkel equipment and snorkel vest.
Ocean viewing seaboard that you can rent, some one-person kayaks, some two-person kayaks, and don't forget those stand-up paddleboards.
And aqua bicycle rentals, and Hobie Cat sailboat rentals, banana boat rentals. There's surf fishing, there's a lagoon clear bottom kayaking adventure, and of course snorkeling.
And the four-person paddle wheeler.
Remember to bring some cash with you so you can buy some great souvenirs or have your hair braided. three-story wooden structure called the Crow's Nest Overlook.
Climb the steps to the top for a panoramic look at the resort and the sparkling Caribbean Sea. Be sure to take a selfie with the perfect unobstructed view of your ship just offshore. Bring your towels from the ship because you can exchange them on the island if you need to.
Pack those water shoes because you're going to need them. The main restrooms are located where the tenders dock near the first aid station. There is also restrooms on the south side near Sea Breeze Grill. And of course, the private bungalows.
Now there aren't any private showers on Princess Cay, but they do have outdoor showers for you to use. If you're an experienced snorkeler, you're going to love this place. Just swim out to the left toward the reef and see all the colorful fish, the sea urchins, the corals, and the other marine life, the sea monsters and stuff that's out there. It is great snorkeling for sure.
There are two categories of bungalows on Princess Cay: the private bungalows and the sanctuary bungalows. The private bungalows are in the public area at the far end of the beach, and the sanctuary is even further past that, and it is gated. Now, the private sanctuary bungalows. It is at the far north end of the island, and each bungalow comes with air conditioning, lounge chairs, umbrellas, noodles to float on, a table with 4 chairs, an outdoor shower.
Your bungalow will also be stocked with towels, 2 flotation rafts for the day, and a cooler full of soft drinks and water. But hey, you had me at air conditioning.
And if that's not enough, they'll serve you fresh fruit, chips, salsa, and guacamole. There is even free transportation to your bungalow by way of golf carts.
That's right, and these bungalows are good for up to 4 people. However, you can upgrade and add 2 more if you want to pay more.
The sanctuary bungalow area is only for people that have rented a sanctuary bungalow.
And the sanctuary bungalows are reserved for adults only, 18 years old and up. And they sit in a private, roped off area. Like she said, you can only get access if you got the ticket to get in there. Man, all this walking around has got me hungry. Hey look, picnic tables. And where there's picnic tables, there's gotta be food, right? Okay, so we're heading over here to the buffet line. There's a free buffet on the island. No matter if you're on Carnival or Princess, you're going to get a free buffet lunch on that island if you want it.
Smaller ships will only have one buffet location on the island, but larger ships will have 2, possibly 3.
So we got mixed greens, roasted broccoli salad, German potato salad, coleslaw. How about that? Some fresh lettuce and tomatoes, some diced tomatoes and onions, pickles, pickle relish, chips, woo, burgers and hot dogs. Woo! Yeah, what about you?
Hello.
What's your name?
Nisha, all the way from India.
All right! We're glad to have you here on Sea Lake Journeys. How about you, sir?
Sanjay.
Sanjay.
From India.
India. How you like working for Carnival, y'all?
Yes.
I love it.
Love it. That's what we
Nice
like.
to meet you.
So now we're going to take you to the south side of the island. When you get off the tender, go to the right. Cross the little bridge and you have arrived at South Beach.
But don't worry, you won't be far away from the amenities. This section also has restrooms, bars, and a small straw market, and the barbecue buffet lunch that serves the same choices you'll find over there on that busy section of the island.
This side of the beach offers beach volleyball and basketball. This section of the water is a bit more choppy than North Beach, but it's still a great place to swim. And of course, the lifeguards do not patrol this section as closely as they do the busier side of North Beach.
So swim at your own risk. Or just relax on one of the loungers out there they've got for you. And there's plenty of them, and they're free. They're included. Princess actually claims to have over 3,000 complimentary lounge chairs available at Princess Cay for you to sit on.
And if you would prefer a little bit more shade, make sure you rent a clamshell. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew.
Sea Lake Journey crew! It's free to join!
And don't forget, we also have a Facebook group.
That's right.
We hope you enjoyed our video on Princess Cay.
I know I did.
Till next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.